Abbreviations around the world. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you abbreviations used in English, French, and Spanish. Knowing the abbreviations used in multiple languages can be very helpful. For example, you can type a lot faster, seem like a native, and when somebody uses them on you, you won't be confused. Before we start, please subscribe. That is the best way of helping me out, and I will know that you like these videos. Now let's start with English. The following abbreviations are the abbreviations that I use daily and the most important ones. Now let's start. Number 1. LOL. LOL or LOL stands for laughing out loud, and you use it when you find something really funny. I use this one daily. I had even been told that I use it too much, but who doesn't like to laugh, right? Number 2. JK. And JK stands for just kidding. So you would use this one when you're joking about something. Obvious, I know. But I use JK and LOL pretty often together. For example, I would be telling my friend, "Oh my god, I saw a whale today at the beach." And she would text back, "Oh my god, really?" So I would say, JK, LOL. So I'm laughing about the thing that I'm joking about, which in this instance it would be seeing a whale at the beach. Number 3, ILY, which stands for I love you. This one is pretty self-explanatory, but you might also see ILYSM, which means I love you so much. Number 4, TBH, which stands for to be honest. This one is pretty self-explanatory, but imagine someone is asking for something, but you don't know. So instead of answering I don't know or I'm not sure, you would just say TBH, so to be honest, I don't know. The abbreviation of please is PLS. This is one that I also use very often. But some people, instead of writing PLS, they write PLZ, which means please. I guess is the cooler way of saying it? Who knows? Number 6, IDK. IDK stands for I don't know. And you might use IDK with TBH. So to be honest, I don't know. One that you might already know is BFF, which means best friends forever, but in general means best friends. Comment down below who is your best friend. Number 7, NVM. NVM stands for never mind. This is one that you might use when you ask someone for something or where something was, and then you found it or you already knew the answer. For example, you might ask your mom, "Hey, do you know where my French book is?" And once you found it, you would send her another message saying NVM, never mind, implying that you already found it. I use this one a lot. I guess I ask for things before actually looking for them myself. Our 8th abbreviation is PPL, which stands for people. Pretty self-explanatory, right? These last two, you might already know them, because I know people who speak Spanish or French and they know what these words mean. So the first one is THX, and that is the abbreviation for thanks. The second one is OMG, which stands for oh my god. In case you don't know what oh my god means, let me help you out. You would use oh my god when you were really surprised or disgusted. Now let's learn some French abbreviations. These are the abbreviations that my French friends use the most and the ones that when I was over there in France, I saw the most. At first, I had no idea what they meant, but I had to learn them. The first one is CV, which stands for ça va. In English, that would be how are you or are you okay? This is one that is used a lot because you ask someone how they are every single day. So instead of writing ça va, they will usually write CV. Number 2 is JSP, which stands for Je sais pas. The English translation of that would be I don't know. If you are learning French or you still aren't fluent in it, you're going to use this abbreviation a lot. I know that I used it a lot when I was living in France. Number 3. This one is the equivalent of lol or LOL in English. It would be MDR, mort de rire. I use this one a lot because in France I wouldn't say lol, I would say MDR, mort de rire, dying of laughter. But keep in mind that the French do understand and still use lol. Number 4. TKT, which stands for t'inquiète or don't worry. I had someone tell me t'inquiète, or sometimes even I say t'inquiète, almost every single day. For some reason, they find a way of saying t'inquiète in every single situation. So this is one that you have to learn. Lastly, BCP, which stands for beaucoup. In English, it would be a lot. This is pretty self-explanatory. Now, Spanish abbreviations. Guys, this one was a struggle because nor I nor my friends used abbreviations in Spanish. But comment down below if you used any of them. Okay, now let's start. Number 1, XQ. XQ is the abbreviation for por qué, which would either be why or because in English. This one is pretty handy because it's only 2 letters and is used in 2 cases. Number 2, GRAX, which is gracias or thank you. Number 3, arre. So arre isn't so much of an abbreviation, but more as a word that doesn't exist, but it's used kind of as a JK. So when you're trying to emphasize that you were joking about something or that you were being sarcastic, you would just add arre. I say this sometimes. Now I'm going to show you 2 abbreviations that mean the same thing. So the first one is PF and the second one is XFA. And they both mean por favor or porfa, which in English would be please. Now instead of telling you guys an abbreviation, I'm going to tell you a tip. So whenever you want to write out the word por, you can always just abbreviate it by putting X. And whenever you want to write down the word que, you can just put a Q. So those letters abbreviate por and que. So that little tip can be pretty helpful. Well, there you have it. Whoa! Well, there you have it. Please comment down below what abbreviations you use in your language. And if you like this video and you would like for me to go more in depth in a certain language, please let me know. If you liked it, please like and subscribe because that really helps me out. See you next video. Bye!